Dear student, today I will discuss the product mentally. That means without showing the actual process, how we can find out the product very quickly. That means mental products. So here some conditions are there. So only that type of sum we can do. Suppose here I am writing 25, a number, and another number also will be same. And in one place, both the number in one place will be 5, and rest all digit will be same. Not 24, 24, 24 and 24, not like this. They are 25 and 25, 35, 35, 45, 45. That means unit place or one place there will be 5. There will be 5 and both the number will be same. Now how to multiply? 5 5s are 25, you write first. 5 5s are 25. That means how we are getting this 25? That 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. Now here 2 and successor of 2 is 6. Now you multiply 2 and successor of 2 is 3. So now you multiply 2 and 3, it will be 6. So 625. Our product will be 625. What is the process? So first 5 and 5, these two 5 you have to multiply. These two 5 you multiply. After multiplication, that you write 25. 5 into 5, 25, you know, 25 we have to. Now here 2 is here. So 2 you write and you multiply by successor of 2. If it is 3, then 3 into 4. Successor of 3, 4. So like this way. 2 you multiply by 3. That means successor of 2. Now after multiplication, what product you will get? 2 into 3, 6. That 6 you have to write here. Then you will get the product. Now you multiply. You check it whether this product correct or not. 25 and 25 you multiply. Now 5 first of all by 5 you multiply. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Then 1 0, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. Now if you add, then here you will 5, here 2, here 6. So 625. So our answer is 625. Understood? So this is the way that mental multiplication. Another one I am showing. You multiply 65 and 65. In one place, in both the number, 5 is there and both are 65. Now, same process, 5 into 5, 25. How you are getting 25? 5 into 5. That is both the digit in one place. Now, here 6. Successor of 6, 7. 6 into 7, 42. So answer will be 4225. First, these two 5 you have to multiply. After multiplication, what you are getting? 25. That 25 you have to write here. Then 6 is there. 6, successor of 6, 7. Now these two you multiply. These two after multiplication you write here. 6 into 7, 42. So 42 you have to write here. 5 into 5, 25. Then 6 into 7, 42. So 4225 will be the answer. Another one I am showing you. 95, 95. Both are 95. We multiply 5 5s are 25, and the 25 you are getting like this, 5 into 5, and successor of 9 is 10. So 9 and 10 if you multiply, then you will get 90. Okay, so 9025 will be the answer. Now look at the board and see properly. Next, this sum I have shown you 2-digit number. Now we will take the example of 3-digit number. (105) and 105 both are same. 105 and 105. Now in one place there is 5 and here also 5. Now 5 and 5 25. Simply multiply 5 and 5 25 and put here. Now number is 10 and successor of 10 is 11. So 11 and 10 if you multiply, then you will get 110. 110. So 110 and 25. So 11,025 will be the answer. What will be the answer? 11,025. Again I am showing you same process. Previously there was 2-digit number, here 3-digit number, but in one place, in both the number are same, and one place 5. 5 5s are 25. You have to write. Then after if we 5th already I have taken, now remaining is 10. Now 10 successor of 10 is 11. Now 10 you multiply by 11, then you will get 110. So 110 you put here, then you will get the product, that is 11,025. Another one I am showing you. (705) and 705. Similar way, 5 5s are 25. You have to put here. Then the number is 70. 70 into 71. Successor of 70, 71. Now 71 if we multiply by 7, then 7 1 the 7, 7 7 the 49. 49 4970. 4970. Okay. If you multiply, then you will get 4970. So that you have to write here. Then you will get 4,97,025. 4,97,025. Okay. So this way you have to multiply mentally. So without showing the actual process, but in one place, you have to keep in your mind always that in one place always there will be 5 in both the number, and both the number will be same. Both the number will be same and always there will be 5. Then this process will be applicable, otherwise not. Understood? Then only this process will be applicable. Otherwise this process will not be applicable. So today I have shown you that mental multiplication by 2-digit number as well as 3-digit number. But what is the condition? Condition is like this, that in one place always there will be 5 in both the number. Yeah, maybe 35. Okay, in one place always will be 5. Now here you can write 7 and 7 also, then also you can multiply any number you can write here. 6 also, that also I have shown you. But in case of 3-digit number, 100, 10 and 1, similar way, that in one place always there will be 5. Here you write 2, here you write 3, 2, 5. So like this way also you can multiply. But condition, in one place always there will be 5. Okay, why do if there is any other number, say suppose 4 and 4, then this process will not be applicable. Suppose here 6 and 6, but both the number are same, but this process will not be applicable. Only this process will be applicable if there is 5. So today up to this. Thank you all the students. Next day we will discuss that this type of sum. So 53 and 57. Both the number are different. But 53 and 57. Or digit in the 10 place same, but digit in the 1 place not same. But sum of these 2 digit 10. Okay. So this condition will be there. Next day we will discuss.